Hey everyone, today we are diving into a massive new launch from Walmart. Okay, that's maybe a little bit of hyperbole. Just a couple weeks ago, they launched all new pre-winter stuff from Scoop, and now they've done it again, but this time from Free Assembly, another one of our favorite brands. So I have put together quite a few outfits with the new launch pieces. We have everything from everyday essentials to holiday pieces to some cozy fun things towards the end. Everything is affordable, it's wearable. Quite a few pieces are a little extra fun, and everything is linked in the usual places that I will pop up on the screen because I do not want to delay. I want to jump right into this haul. Let's start off with some affordable foundation pieces. These are pieces that you're going to reach for over and over throughout the fall and winter season, starting with this cozy yarn turtleneck. Now this turtleneck comes in 5 colors. It's an absolute winter staple. Let me give you a quick style tip on styling a turtleneck. Obviously, it's a fantastic foundation piece to layer under jackets and cardigans and all the cozy things. But even if you're wearing it layered under something or as a standalone, what do you do with that color? Because if you wear it turned out, like we've all been taught to do, it just feels weird and then it starts to flip out. The key now, how we're styling it in the 21st century, is to flip it inwards. That's how you're seeing me over there. What's nice about that is it doesn't bunch up strangely. You can adjust it so that it lays exactly where you want it to. You can have it the full size all the way up to the chin. You can tuck it down quite a bit and make it more of a mock neck. So it's not only a little more comfortable, it definitely feels less like it's choking you, but also it's versatile. It has adjustable heights. I've tucked it into this pair of Pintuck seam jeans. Yes, these are white. It says off-white in the description, but to my eyes, they look white. They also have a nice wide cuff that comes that way with the pants. If you're one of those ladies who just cannot do white after Labor Day, it's okay. I get it. Although I'm telling you, that rule is dead. You can blaze forward, try something new, try the white. I really love how it pops against the red, but this also comes in a darker traditional blue denim wash if you would prefer something like that. It's also 29-inch inseam, which for my more petite, shorter friends here like myself, a lot of Walmart jeans run super long. These do not. And if you are loving red right now, like I am, let's talk about this sweater. So the foundation is the same Pintuck seam jeans, the same ankle boots. Love a softer, more taupe kind of shade, by the way, when I'm wearing white or light pants on the bottom. But let's talk about this V collar, another staple for the fall winter season. I love this marled red. There's little tiny speckles of white sewn throughout. It's a little fluffier. It's a little more casual. This also comes in a camel color and a really beautiful deep navy. This extra wide, almost cape-like collar is a nice little extra. It's just a go-to. You reach for it. You can pair it with so many things. Obviously, I love how it's popping against the white jeans, but regular denim wash, trousers, corduroys, it's just one of those sweaters that you reach for when you don't know what to throw on and go. It's this one. Let's move on to some fun holiday sets. We'll get to the cozy sets towards the end. You know, I always like to finish in something cozy if I can. These are more one and done kind of outfits. Now these are sets, but they're sold separately. So if you only want the skirt or you only want the sweater, you are in luck because you can buy each one according to your whims. But I couldn't resist a set. So let's start off with outfit number 3. First by me, stating emphatically, that is not the color of my legs. I am a white porcelain girl who has some odd blue undertones happening in my legs. I did not want to subject any of us to that on camera, so I am wearing cream hosiery. Sheer hosiery is in right now. My legs are pale, but they're not quite that uniform cream that actually I really enjoy. So I could not pass up this color, this lilac-y pink. It's so pretty. And I know when we think holiday, and I'm going to say this a lot because it bears repeating, we think bright red, we think green, we think blacks and metallics, maybe some deep blues. But when we're dressing for the holiday season, it's time to have fun. Branch out with the brighter, more fun colors if you don't want to go with the standard holiday ones. And this lilac-y pink just to me screams fun, but it also is just great for the whole fall winter season. It doesn't just have to be late November into December. I just think this set, it's so fun. That skirt, it's the same knit as the top. It's a little fun. It's a little flirty. If you're a little uncomfortable with a shorter skirt, by no means is this short, but it is above the knees, then the hosiery should give you a little layer of protection and confidence there. If the skirt is not for you, and I get it if it's not, the sweater is so worth it. It's $26. It is super soft. It is not scratchy or itchy. There's one coming up that is, and I will let you know about that one. That was definitely a fail. If you're thinking this is really hard to accessorize, and I'll be honest with you, the full head to mid-thigh look is a little harder to accessorize with shoes and stuff like that, go for the other option. It's a soft gray with little crystals throughout, very holiday appropriate, and just a lot easier to accessorize. You could do sheer black hose, black pumps, black boots. If the pink throws you off for the whole set, I recommend checking out the gray version as well. Now on to outfit number 4. When I saw these pieces come up on the Walmart website, they're just so fun. They're very mod, they're very kind of early mid-60s, and yet they still give off that kind of ladies who lunch vibe with the beautiful gold medallion buttons and the cut of the skirt. Everything about it is just looks sort of expensive, but it's from Walmart. So it's very budget friendly, it's very comfortable, it's very wearable. What's not so comfortable is for me to look at this hosiery. I don't have exactly what I wanted here. If I could have put the perfect outfit together, I would have had tan legs, but I'm too lazy at this point to fake tan. So the next option was hosiery, and I'm not entirely sure what color I would pair with this. So I would love your feedback. I don't always get it right, and when I don't, that's when I depend on you guys to set me straight and let me know, how would you pair this? I like it definitely with the pumps, and I don't mind the sheer kind of off black hosiery. I just feel like maybe the cream would have worked a little better, or, well, I don't know. That's why I'm asking you. Let me know, how would you finish this outfit off? But either way, the skirt by itself would look really cute with just a solid color sweater, and of course that cardigan is stunning, and it would look great over just a white tee and a pair of jeans. Okay, now that we've got the party started with a few statement sets, let's move into some more holiday staples and holiday outfit ideas, starting off with this single-breasted velvet blazer. I'm gonna show you a lot more in the holiday outfits coming up next week. This is just sort of a little bit of a teaser. It's hard to find an affordable velvet blazer, but I think for the holiday season, it's great to have a couple of them, one in black and one in another color. In this case, I went with a deep navy blue and the black. Okay, I bought both the colors that it comes in. I would say it runs true to size. And as you can see, super easy to change your everyday t-shirt and jeans outfit into a holiday appropriate outfit by just throwing this on. I also think because it's a more slim traditional fit, it's not oversized, it's not long, that either one of these blazer colors is gonna look great over a more fitted dress, a navy dress, a black dress. Obviously pick the color that goes with the dress better, but this is just one of those things you're gonna buy. It's under $40. You'll have it in your closet. And then when you are invited to something, maybe later this season or even next year or the year after, you're gonna be glad that you have these in your closet as that ultimate layering piece. Now for outfit number 6, remember how I said holiday does not have to be red, green, or metallic? Look at this sweater. So I love this for me personally right now because it's still pretty warm where I live, and normally I get pretty chilly. The body of this, it's a thicker, heavier weight sweater. It's a chunky knit too, so it's gonna keep your torso warm, but then because you have bare arms, you probably won't overheat. I think it's the best of both worlds. This does also come in white and black if you want it more as a layering piece. This is another idea to wear it open over a basic all white, all black outfit as a layering thing, but I love it all buttoned up to the very top with those beautiful crystal buttons. They're so pretty. And then I just thought it looked better with the hem rolled under just a little bit. It just gives the impression of it being tucked in without adding bulk. I like where it ends a little bit better. And then I paired it with something I showed from my last Walmart haul. These are wide leg jeans that have teeny tiny little specks of crystals embedded throughout. They are so pretty when they catch the light, and I think these two pieces paired together is just a really fun, more casual holiday outfit. Outfit number 7, normally my lucky number, not so lucky. So a Fair Isle sweater is definitely a staple holiday piece for the more casual holiday gathering. This one was a total fail. It's an awkward length, it's awkwardly sized, and more importantly, it itches like crazy. I didn't even bother looking at the material breakdown. I think there's either some wool in it or it's faux wool. It definitely feels like there's wool in it in the worst way possible. The good news is it's also almost completely sold out, at least in the color that I'm sharing with you. So if you love this color and itchy fabric does not bother you, I guess get it. No, don't get it. Skip it. I do love the jeans, and I really love those Velvet Mary Janes. I hope are still in stock. Those are from J. Crew Factory. And I should point out that everything I'm wearing, not just the Walmart pieces, are listed in the usual places. The description box, the first comment at the top of the comment section, and if it's on the YouTube shopping platform, it'll pop up somewhere on the screen as well. And then let's end the holiday outfit portion of this video with a serious statement piece. I can't believe this is from Walmart. And Walmart does not shock me anymore because normally their stuff just looks high-end, really fashion forward, really fun, really well made. But this one is unexpected. This shaggy faux fur jacket, it is the ultimate statement jacket. It does close with some hook and eye closures and it does have pockets and it's fully lined, so it is nicely made. But how fun is this? If you find yourself invited to something that's gonna take place outside, or just if you want to just have a little more fun going to the grocery store, I love this. I feel so cool in this. This is definitely the cool girl vibe, and you don't have to try that hard because it's from Walmart and it's totally wearable, and I am loving it. If you're loving it as much as I am, please take a moment to let me know in the comments, where are you wearing this? I say wherever you want. So let's end on a cozy note, because the holiday season, yes, it's about parties and get-togethers, but it's also about being cozy and hanging on the couch and Netflix and cocoa and all that stuff. So I have to share this sweater that I shared with y'all on Instagram just a little bit ago. How fun is this sweater? Who doesn't love a golden retriever dressed for the holidays? You probably would have had a hard time finding it on the Walmart website if you're looking for it on your own, because I found this one in the men's section. Well, online in their men's section. And that's something I also need to address. I get this comment all the time on my Walmart videos that you watched this and then you went to the store and you didn't see any of this there. That's because most of this is not in store. I get all my clothes from Walmart by ordering online. That's why I share the links, so that you don't have to waste your time going to the store. But anyway, if you happen to be perusing the men's section online on the Walmart website, you would have found this guy. Now, men's sizing, I don't know how that runs because I'm not a man. So I went with a medium, and it's a little bit of an oversized fit, but it's not overwhelming. It doesn't look like I have borrowed my dad's sweater. The sweater does come in other base colors, not just the cream, but there's navy. I think there's a red, maybe there's some, I don't think there's different dogs, but especially if you're looking for more holiday themed cozy sweaters, check out the men's section. They have quite a few hidden gems. It's time for another set, but this time a cozy set. And if this looks familiar, I shared this with you, I think in August or September. I know I bought this in August and I was so excited about wearing this for when it got colder, and then it immediately sold out, but I held on to it because obviously I'm waiting for the cold weather. And then I just got an alert because I'd signed up for email notifications. It's back in stock in all the colors. I'm so happy. So this is a time and true cozy knit hoodie set. It comes in sizes extra small through 4X. It's everything it says it is. It's cozy, it's knit, it's a set. I love it. It's $35. I don't know what else to tell you. It doesn't have pockets in the pants, which is sometimes tricky to do, and it does have the hood. I can't wait to wear this for some Netflix marathons. Although honestly, these days it's more about YouTube. We watch YouTube at night in place of TV. Let me know what you're watching, by the way. Now that it's getting cooler, the nights are longer, what are you binging? Finally, the last piece here. It's a set, technically, yes. I'm talking about these pajamas. So every once in a while, Walmart releases some incredible pajamas. These happen to be matching family pajamas. So they come in men's sizing, women's sizing, kids, babies, pets. I held myself back. I only bought 2 pairs, one for me and a pair for my husband, which I have not yet convinced him to try on. If you do not know by now about my love for 100% cotton pajamas, let me tell you, I have a love for 100% cotton pajamas. I am that woman, like many of you, goes to sleep freezing at night. The cotton pajamas keep me warm. Wake up in the middle of the night sweating. The cotton pajamas wick it away. Or I just don't wake up sweating because it just stays at a nice kind of constant temperature. I love them. I just think there's something extra special about 100% cotton. My favorite 100% cotton pajamas are well over $150. These feel very, very similar, and they do come in lots of patterns, and at least the women's size is under 30 at $28. So if you've been looking for some really good pajamas and you like that 100% cotton feel, these are incredible. They're not like the brushed flannel feel that makes me feel too hot. They're more like that cotton poplin feeling, just a little bit softer. They're kind of like the Goldilocks of cotton pajamas, if you will. I would say that they run pretty much true to size. They have an elastic waist with a drawstring, so you can adjust that. Pockets on the pants, which I love. I can tuck my phone in when I'm wearing them to run outside to take my dog out at night. They're fantastic. And if you want a whole set of family pajamas for the holidays, check out all the different patterns. I decided to go with one that wasn't specifically holiday so that I wouldn't feel weird about wearing this, say, in July. And that is it, my friends, for yet another Walmart haul this month. Yes, they had 2 big releases and I couldn't skip them. I just had to share both of them because there were so many amazing things. Don't forget, you can find the links in 3 places. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I cannot wait to share with you all the holiday outfits I have lined up for you next week. But until then, thanks for hanging out with me. I hope that you had fun, and I'll see you in the next video.